Hey everyone, so I just want to show you again some incredible possibilities or capabilities in plasticity. So I'm modeling this mouse here, and by the way, this is the mouse from our new course that I've just launched, where I show you how to model this whole MX Master mouse completely from scratch, where I show you how to create perfect curves, amazing primary surfaces, how to blend everything, details, like everything. It's an absolute masterclass. So also just to show you, like, look at those main incredible, beautiful surfaces. We don't have any issues. It's kind of 98% perfect quality. Yes, we have the sharp edge here, and I know here we have this blend, so this will be kind of our next step, but I'm kind of filling in the gaps right now, and I'm just experimenting a little bit around and just having some fun. And yeah, so we have this hole here, and everything is like set up with the surfaces, right? So we have here this kind of this chamfer, which then also like flows into the surface. So this is just a practice. So in the course, like, we will set it up much better. So it's kind of just playing around, checking out the possibilities. But I just want to show you that we have this massive hole, right? So if I just select this loop here, and if I just smash a patch on it, and then if I go one by one and click everywhere G1 where we have a smooth transition, then voila. Yes, we have at the bottom this little issue, but we can fix that. But yeah, this is just with literally one click how you can close such a complex hole. But obviously the surface quality is not good enough as how I want it. But I just wanted to show it to you that especially if you're kind of concepting or just want to work fast, or you don't need absolute perfect surfaces, and if you just have like such a massive hole with so much different geometry, just use a patch or in XNURBS and do everywhere G1 where you need it. That is by far the most in-depth and complex plasticity course out there, and I explain everything absolutely, completely, step by step, how to build. Let's have a look. Like how to build all of those curves and how to align them perfectly to the reference image, because you see from the front it looks absolutely perfect. From the side you see everything is perfectly aligned, and how to set them up, how to construct them, where to start. I explain everything in so much detail. It's absolutely incredible. And then we will start to fill in all of the surfaces and have so much fun. So if you're interested to master plasticity like literally never before, and as literally no one even close shows how to do that, then check out first link in the description. And I hope I can see you in there. So have a nice day. Bye.